Feeling creatively stuck is remarkably frustrating, right? If you ever wonder if this happens to everyone, the answer is yes. Mr. Creative Block doesn't care about of our years of experience, so it's important to have some tools on hand to get unstuck and back on track. My name is Letty. I studied architecture and I've been an illustrator since 2012. I've worked on a wide range of projects from architectural designs to video games to children's books, websites. I sell my illustrations on print on demand sites, and since 2017, I also enjoy creating fun art tutorials. Today, I want to share with you one of the best ways I found to recharge my creative batteries, which is to forget about anatomy, proportions, and all the heavy stuff. Just go back to basics and take a whole different course of action. And so the egg method was born. In this class, we will use this super simple and fun method to draw adorable animal characters in just a few steps. Of course, we'll first get to know what the egg method is all about, what makes a character look cute, and identify the key features of what we want to draw. I will use my iPad and Procreate, but you can follow this course using any other software or just paper and pencil. As a bonus, I've included a workbook with all the info and practices. Okay, enough talking, let's get started.